sometimes you just need headphones that are great for working out. And sometimes you need headphones that block out the noise and allow you to relax. Wait, isn't there supposed to be a third one? Yeah, for noise masking. She's asleep. Huh, effective. What's up, everyone? I'm Devin Howard on Instagram as @DevinHoward, on TikTok as @DevinMHoward, and depending on when you watch this, I might be right behind you. Probably not, but you never know. Today we're looking at some of the best refurbished earbuds available from Bose. Now, we've actually unboxed the Bose Quiet Comfort Noise Canceling earbuds, but today we're going to highlight some of the advantages of getting these at a slightly reduced price. I'm also getting into details about some of Bose's other refurbished options available on Newegg. We've got the true wireless sport earbuds and the noise masking wireless in-ear headphones. Now, each come with their own unique designs and features that fit any of your needs. But before we talk about what those are, let's unbox this. And sometimes you need earbuds to help you sleep. You're a little late on that cue. Okay, let's get into this box first. These are the sport earbuds. All right, the first thing out of the box, we have, looks like a quick start guide, and we also have safety instructions. Here are the earbuds. Now, I know these are refurbished, but honestly, looking at them, they look brand new. You would never know that these are a refurbished option. So if you are looking to get some high quality earbuds that are going to work for you, but you don't want to spend a fortune, this is a really great option. Here we have some alternate ear tips. Here is another set of ear tips. So you'll just select whichever pair fits your ears the best. And this is a USB to USB-C cord. That's all we've got in that box, so let's move on to the next. Now, these are the Sleepbuds 2. I'm so excited to check these out. Wow, look at this carrying case. That's pretty nice. Let's peel this off. Slides. Ooh, look at that. We've got a peel moment here. Okay, so here's the earbuds, and just like the sport earbuds, these look brand new. Here are your 2 sets of alternate ear tips. And we have your USB to USB-C cord. This is your quick start guide and the safety instructions. And now moving on to our final set of earbuds in today's video. We have your setup guide, we have your safety instructions, and we've got the earbuds. Oh yeah, look at those. Okay, like the other 2 sets of earbuds, we have your USB to USB-C cord. We've got your 2 sets of ear tips. And that's everything that comes in the box. So let's clear everything off the table and then we'll talk about each set of earbuds. Let's begin with the sport earbuds. Like Sporty Devin shared with you earlier, these earbuds are engineered to give you your best workout yet. What that means is you need a comfortable, secure fit. These Bose earbuds will power your workout with clear, balanced music no matter how loud you turn it up or how hard you're hitting the weights. They utilize a patented acoustic port design and premium high-efficiency drivers to deliver big, lifelike sound. Volume-optimized active EQ automatically boosts the lows and highs so that music, videos, and voices sound perfect at all times. Now let's talk about their design. The Stay Here Max tips create a tight seal with your ear canal. They'll stay in place even when you're jumping rope or doing sprints, and they're designed to resist moisture from sweat and weather. Their sleek design lets them sit close to your ears and stay snug yet comfy. They're sweat and moisture resistant, like I mentioned before, with an IPX4 rating. The touch controls here make it easy to take a call, pause music, and check battery level without pulling out your phone. You get up to 5 hours of battery life per charge, and the case adds in 10 extra hours of use. If you're an active person and you like to power your workouts with music or a podcast, but you don't want to break the bank just to do that, these are a really great choice. Now let's dig into the noise-canceling earbuds. Bose describes these as the most effective noise-canceling earbuds. With 11 different levels of active noise cancellation, you can tune into your favorite playlist or podcasts without a single distraction. Go about your day blissfully unaware of the nagging coworkers trying to get your attention. That's what I would do, at least. You guys might have seen my Unbox This episode about the Quiet Comfort earbuds in the past, so I'm just going to give you a brief overview right now. You, of course, get the crisp, clear, acclaimed Bose sound with deep full bass, as well as an IPX4 rating to resist any moisture from sweat, sleet, hail, rain, or snow. With Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity, your earbuds will work within 30 feet of your device. When you're on calls, the mic system highlights your voice and reduces unwanted ambient noise so you sound clean and clear. And of course, these are super comfy for all-day use. Finally, we have to get into the Sleepbuds too, and as you can tell, they work really well. Yep, she's still passed out under there. So let's get into exactly how these earbuds can help you achieve a restful sleep. Living in LA, there is a lot that can keep you up at night. Noisy neighbors, a snoring significant other, traffic, loud bars and restaurants down the street. The Sleepbuds 2 play relaxing sounds and use noise masking technology to get you some much needed shut-eye. These wireless earbuds are comfortable to wear and are designed to passively block out noise. They also will stay put even if you toss and turn in your sleep like I do. Additionally, they stay powered on for up to 10 hours on a single charge. When you use the Bose Sleep app, you gain access to a library of more than 50 ultra-relaxing noise masking sounds, including nature sounds. And if you need to be up at a specific time, you can set a personal wake-up alarm to play through your earbuds. Like the other earbuds, you also have a comfortable tip here. This one is smaller than the rest, and these will lay flat on your ear, so if you're a side sleeper, you're not going to feel something sticking out from your ear when you're trying to relax at night. A refurbished product is one that's been returned to Bose. It's been thoroughly inspected, tested, and serviced to meet strict Bose sound quality standards, the same as a new product. All of these headphones come with the same 1-year warranty as a new set, so you can buy them with confidence. Alright, you guys, if you want to pick up one of these headphones for yourself, click the links in the description below, and while you're there, be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss when we unbox more great products available on Newegg. I'm Devin Howard. Thank you so much for watching. Seriously, you gotta go. We just unboxed this. Bye, guys.